Hello students, the next problem is if 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is equal to y square minus 2y plus 6, then the value of y is equal to 1, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. The problem is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is equal to y square minus 2y plus 6. That means at first we shall discuss about this right hand side. Right hand side means 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. What is the maximum and minimum value of 3 sin x and 4 cos x? You know that if a cos x plus b sin x, its maximum value will be less equal to root over a square plus b square and less equal to minus root over a square plus b square. Then its maximum and minimum value is root over 3 square plus 4 square and this is equal to minus root over 3 square plus 4 square. That means this is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. This is equal to 5. That means 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is less equal to 5. So the maximum value of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is 5. Now we like to discuss about y square minus 2y plus 6. Let us see y square minus 2y plus 6 means this is a quadratic term and you can solve it in 2y plus 1 plus 5. Then this is equal to y minus 1 whole square plus 5. Now taking y is equal to 1, you get y square minus 2y plus this is always positive because this is some whole square, this is always positive, so its minimum value will be, when y is equal to 1, then y square minus 2y plus 6, its minimum value is equal to 5. Its maximum value is 5 and its minimum value is 5. So our required answer will be y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 1, then 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is less equal to root over 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5. Here the next problem is cos x plus cos y plus cos z is equal to 0. Then cos 3x plus cos 3y plus cos 3z is equal to k. Cos x, cos y, cos z. Then the value of k. K is a constant. You have to find the value of k. So our first expression is cos x plus cos y plus cos z is equal to 0. Cos x plus cos y plus cos z is equal to 0. Cos x plus now for what value of x, y, z this expression will become 0. You have to find out the method. At first you take x is equal to 0 degree, y is equal to pi and z is equal to pi by 2. Then what you get? Cos x is equal to cos 0 means 1, cos pi means minus 1 and cos pi by 2 means 0. That means this is equal to 0. Now putting the values of 0, pi and pi by 2 in this expression we get cos 3 into 0 means 0, cos 3 pi plus cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to k cos 0, cos pi by 2. Then cos 0 means 1, cos 3 pi means -1, cos 3 pi by 2 means cos 3 pi by 2. This is equal to 0. Then k, cos 0 means 1, cos pi means -1, and cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Then this is 0. We cannot find the value of k. So what we take is not correct. We suppose the value of cos x, cos y, cos z, x is equal to 0 degree, y and z is equal to 120 degree. That means 2 pi by 3. That means cos 0 plus cos 2 pi by 3 plus cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 0 means 1. This is minus half, that 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now putting the value of x is equal to 0 degree, 2 pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3, we get cos 3 into 0, cos 3 into 2 pi by 3 plus cos 3 into 2 pi by 3 is equal to k cos 0 cos 2 pi by 3 into cos 2 pi by 3. That is cos 0 means 1, cos 2 pi, cos pi is equal to -1, cos 2 pi is equal to +1. That means 1, this is also 1, and this is equal to k. Cos 0 means 1 and 2 pi by 2 means 2 pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. That means k by 4 is equal to 3. So the value of k is equal to 12. So your required answer is 12. Okay, you have to put the particular value of x, y, z so that you can get the answer. If cos x, cos y, cos z is equal to 0, then your value will be x is equal to 0 degree, y and z is equal to 2 pi by 3. The next example is the value of the expression cos square x plus cos square x plus y minus 2 cos x cos y into cos x plus y is sin square y cos square y sin 2y cos 2y. Okay, so the value of the expression is, we write this equation cos square x plus y minus 2 cos x cos y into cos x plus y. How can you do it in 3 steps? This is very easy, but if you calculate this, it will be a lengthy process. So look at the answer. The answer is sin square y cos square y sin 2y cos 2y. That means your answer is independent of x. The answer is independent of x. So putting x is equal to 0 degree, in this expression we get cos square 0 plus cos square 0 plus y minus 2 cos 0 cos y cos 0 plus y. So cos 0 means sin 0 0 cos 0 1 plus cos square y minus 2 cos square y. That means 1 minus cos square y, and this is equal to sin square y. So your answer is A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. This is very easy and effective method to solve this equation, to solve this expression. putting x is equal to 0, you get the required result.